What is the greatest bit of advice you can give somebody that's looking to do that when dealing with contractors? How to find them and stuff like that? What do you recommend?
Now, when it comes to dealing with contractors, so this is 15 years ago almost, right? Sure. If I was teaching somebody now how to get started and how to connect with contractors, the first thing I would do is say connect with other investors in your market that are doing things at the level that you want to do things at, and build a value. We call them value relationships. Build a valuable relationship with these people by helping them do something, right? And what I mean by that is find something they're doing, find ways to make it easier, maybe connect them with different vendors, title companies. How can you help these investors improve their business?
Okay.
Because from there, your best resources as a real estate investor are going to come from other real estate investors. Our whole team that we have now, that we've built over the past, I don't know how many years, everybody that we have has been referred to us by another investor doing something at a much higher level than us.
Yeah.
And in return, we refer these guys out to other investors. That's how you help people grow.